A 2 kg box is released from rest at point P, 5 meters above the ground. It slides down a smooth, frictionless curved track PQ. See the diagram below. So, siya-indicator kwi-diagram yethu ukuthi initial velocity ubani? U-0. Mabethi it moves from rest. Or is released from rest. Noma bethe released kuphela, sesiyazi ukuthi initial velocity u-0. Nakhona kufanele sikho-indicate kwi-diagram yethu so that singakhohlwa. State the principle of conservation of mechanical energy in an isolated system. Total mechanical energy is conserved or is constant. Use the principle of conservation of mechanical energy. Nanti yabona bathe state principle ngezansi siyayisebenzisa. So nafanele kuyazi principle of mechanical energy, application yakhona. Sikhuluma ngani masikhuluma nge-principle of conservation of mechanical energy? Use the principle of conservation of mechanical energy to calculate the speed of the box when it reaches point Q. So sifuna i-velocity at point Q. We know the initial velocity. Izothini-ke le nto le? Ngokusebenzisa omunye umbala. Mechanical energy at point P is equal to mechanical energy at point Q. Mechanical energy ikhandwa i-kinetic energy plus potential energy at point P. Kinetic energy plus potential energy at point Q. This is half mv squared plus mgh is equal to half mv squared plus mgh. Le formula siyisebenzisa nini? Siyisebenzisa uma sitsheniwe ukuthi le section le i-frictionless, ayinayo i-frictional force. So we are able to use this formula. Mangabe isekukhona i-frictional force singayisebenzisa ngendlela ehlukile le formula le. Kufanele si-add the work done by the frictional force la. But suke siyibukele leyo ndaba leyo. I-mass ye-object u-2 kg. I-velocity at point P, initial it was released to 0, plus i-mass u-2 kg times 9,8. I-height at point P u-5 is equal to half i-mass u-2. Velocity at point P, per Q sifuna yona, plus i-mass u-2, 9,8. I-height at point Q u-0. I-object uma isifika lapha i-height izoba u-0. So lo kuzoba u-0. Lo uzosinika bani lo omunye? 2 times 9,8 times 5. Lezo 98 lo. Lo kuzoba u-v squared. Lo omunye kuzoba u-0. So v squared is equal to 98. Square root on both sides. Velocity at point Q kuzoba u-9. 9,89 meters per second. So i-velocity laphaya 9,89 meters per second. Sesiyitholile. Now babuza okunye bathi the box passes point Q and moves 10 meters on the rough horizontal surface before striking the barrier point R at a speed of 4 meters per second. So laphaya i-velocity yokufika at point R u-4 meters per second. Akusu-0 njengoba sijwayele ukuthi an object come to rest at point R. Akusiyo-0. So izofika ngo-4 isuke ngobani ku-Q, isuke ngo-9,89. Sinani? Sine-distance. Yabona suqedile lapho unikeza i-initial velocity or noma uyitholele le. Sine-final velocity, sine-distance. Sine-information eningi kabi. Kuningi izinto esingayi-calculate-a. But use the energy principles to calculate the magnitude of the average frictional force acting on the box as it moves from point Q to point R. Ukhumbule yodwa i-force e-actayo uma kungathiwa sidraw i-free body diagram siveze zonke ama-forces a-acta kwi-object as it move from point Q to point R. We have the normal force, we have Fg, bese we have Fk. Iyona force e-actayo ephakathi to the surface Fk kuphela. Lapha ayikho applied force since the object was released. Ayikho i-force eyiphushayo. A constant force ayikho. Now sesizothini-ke ukuthi ngisuse la khona ngizobhala khona. Kuthiwa calculate i-frictional force. Umsebenzi wethu ukuthi si-calculate i-frictional force la. Le question futhi bengasho nokuthi asicalculate u-mu k. Ngoba thina siyengeza si-calculate no-mu k. Just nje in case bangasibuza into kanjalo. W net is equal to change in EK. So we have work done by the frictional force kuphela ngapha. Ngapha we have half m Vf squared minus Vi squared. Fk delta x cos of theta is equal to half m Vf squared minus Vi squared. Fk sifuna yena delta x so 10 cos of object yethu yakwa right, frictional force yakwa left, the angle between the direction of motion and the force in question 180, i-mass ye-object u-2, final velocity u-4 squared, initial velocity u-9,89 squared. So le part engapha izosinikeza minus 81,8121. Le part engapha izosinikeza minus 10 Fk divide by minus 10 divide by minus 10. Fk wethu uzolingana no-8,18 newtons. So ngithi mina if bebefuna u-mu k bekuzofanele si-calculate i-normal force kuqala. Force eyaphansi ilingana ne-force eyaphezulu. Normal force in this case ilingana no-mfg oku-mg oku-2 times 9,8 okuzoba u-19,6 newtons. Normal force esinayo mu k is equal to Fk divided by normal force. Fk 8,18, normal force 19,6. 8,18 divided by 19,6. 0,41. Okay, ngikhumbuze futhi bebengashongo ukuthi asithole mu k. Sengiya-add-a nje ukuthi if kungenzeka ku-possible ukuthi bathi calculate the coefficient of kinetic friction using energy principles. So bayazi uzoqala uthole ngama-energy principle, uthole i-frictional force bese uyaqhubeka-ke uyathola i-coefficient. I-question elandelayo ithi the barrier exerts an impulse of 14 Newton second to the left on the box when the box strikes the barrier. Mangabe i-box lifika lapha kwi-barrier, i-barrier i-exerta i-impulse ewu-14 Newton second kwi-box. Now Thina umbuzo esibuzwa wona bathi calculate the change in kinetic energy of the box. So ukhumbule-ke ke siye nje kwi-formula ye-change in kinetic energy kuqala. Sibone ukuthi yini lezo sibambe esiyidingayo ngaleya nto abasinikeze yona. Change in EK is equal to EK final minus EK initial. Okubani? Oku-half mv squared final minus half mv squared initial. K mase siganga singakhipha i-common factor. Sale no VF squared minus VI squared. So ngokwe-formula yethu sinaye i-initial velocity. Nansiya i-velocity yokufika kwi-bearing. But eyokusuka kwi-bearing object isishona le ngoba izofika igqome ibuyele emuva. Sitholile ukuthi i-experience i-impulse. So shuthi leya impulse ezosisiza ukuthi sithole i-final velocity ukuze sizokwazi uku-calculate the change in kinetic energy. Konje impulse momentum equation yona ithini-ke? Ithi impulse is equal to F net change in T is equal to change in momentum. Mhlawumbe-ke siyinake lana-ke. Impulse of 14 sketch change in momentum ngoba sifuna i-final velocity. Ukhumbuleke bathe to the left should masikhetha ukuya ka-left futhi ku-negative ukuya ka-right ku-positive so negative sisebenzisa u-negative 14 ngoba iya kuphi iya kwa-left la impulse ngapha u-m vf minus v initial. Khumbule le form change in momentum simivula kanjani? I-mass yethu ye-object u-2 final velocity yethu final velocity sifuna yona initial velocity kuba u-4 sifike laphana kwi-bearing ngo-4 sifuna i-final ukuze sizokwazi uku-calculate change in kinetic energy. So sizoba no-minus 7 ngapha vf minus 4 thatha leya form lethe ngapha siba no-minus 7 plus 4 is equal to vf. Therefore u-vf wethu uzolingana nobani? Uzolingana no-minus 3 meters per second, oku-3 meters per second to the left. Bese sesiyosubstitute-a i-mass u-2 final velocity yoba minus 3 squared minus initial velocity yethu ubani u-4 all squared. Ngizongishayela ngani zakwethu times 2 3 squared minus 4 squared over minus 7 joules. Kinetic energy is measured in joules. So that is how we should calculate the change in kinetic energy. So mawuchecka la benzeni benze lento esiyibiza nge-integration bahlanganise work energy and power ne-momentum and iphepha lena lizobe linje ngoJune. Vele bayathanda ukuthi ngoJune bahlanganise work energy and power nani ne-momentum.